In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Chewy app. If you want an easy way to shop for pet food, supplies, and pharmacy items right from your phone, the Chewy app makes that simple. The process is quick, and whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the steps are very similar. To begin, open the App Store on your device. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the app can download smoothly without interruptions. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar and type in Chewy or Chewy, Pet Care and Pharmacy. This helps you find the exact app more quickly. When the search results appear, take a moment to verify that you're selecting the official app. You should be looking for Chewy, Pet Care and Pharmacy, and the developer should be listed as Chewy Inc. This is important because you always want to install the official version for security and reliability. After you find the correct app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get. Depending on your settings, your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That's completely normal and is just part of Apple's standard security process. Now give the app a moment to install. The time it takes can vary depending on your internet speed and device, but in most cases, it should only take a short while. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to open it. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. When the app opens, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Chewy account, simply log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Chewy, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. Just make sure you enter your information carefully so setup goes smoothly. Before you finish, here are a few helpful reminders. The Chewy app is free to download, so you should not have to pay to install it. Also, always double-check that the app is published by Chewy Inc. to avoid unofficial copies. And if you decide you don't want to install the app, you can still shop directly through the Chewy website from your browser. That's it. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start browsing and shopping through the Chewy app.